But I'm just saying, like, literally, I don't know what to do. I'm just so happy.
Yeah.
I did it.
You did.
It's almost like I'm not that, I don't know how helpful I can be for somebody because the 701 is coming out now. So it's like, since the 701 is out, like, how helpful can I be to someone? I mean, I can tell them what my study habits were and what I utilized.
Or even the biggest thing is that you put your mind to something, you accomplished it. No matter what.
Or if you study, it will come.
You did good. You worked hard, you put your mind to it, and you did it. Changes are coming, and which is inevitable, but you adapted. And you know what? You set forth a step for people to be encouraged and to do it too. Even though 701 is coming, there's raw material out there for them to go into. Open it up.
Yeah! You're CompTIA certified. Ooh, look, I got a little card and everything. Look at that. Look at that. Okay. That's cool.
Proud of you, baby.
Thank you. And then I guess I'll put in the description exactly what I did in order to pass my CompTIA certification. Sounds cool. I like this.
That's pretty cool.
Thanks, babe.
Mission accomplished.
Oh, 1 down, 3 to go. 1 down, 2 to go.
We're gonna get there.
1 down, 2 to go. I want to get the CISS